Hey, Coach James with Ahead Learning in the building. Gonna break down the Heat and Bucks playoff game. Tamarac, Florida. It was a real good one. It came down to the wire. We got a big man move right here. For a big guy, he moves pretty good. All right. Had pretty good defense right here. My boy Max right here. Max, you gotta make that, big dog. You gotta make that. All right, let's see what we got here. We got James driving, give and go. That's unstoppable. Got to keep your eyes on the ball, keep your eyes on your man, stay in your zone. James, you got to knock that free throw down, though. I slowed this down right here because this was just nasty. That boy hit him with an Allen Iverson up and under, but that crossover, though, wow. Yeah, man. All right, so it got a little sloppy right here, but again, he's getting people still in foul trouble, which is excellent. But if you're not making those free throws, it's not as good. As you can see up there, we had a close game. The open floor, definitely still dangerous though. Great way to drive. Pretty good ball movement right here. Way to be patient. It was a tough shot, but your big man cleaned it up. Good job. This is a huge shot. That young man hit two big back-to-back threes, and that shot right there is just beautiful as well. Someone tagged him in this video because that looked like a Michael Jordan type shot. Beautiful. Nice pass. Good layup. Back at the line. Got to knock those down. Good defense right here by the Bucks. I slowed this down right here because James, you got to learn to pass this ball when you got double team on you. You got a guy to your left and your right wide open. I'm going to play it again in full speed so you can see. To your left and right wide open. That was crunch time. You almost cost the game. My boy Max, I love him, but Max, you got to make that right there. You could have sealed the deal with that layup. That was a tough one. Definitely got to work on those layups. So at this point, it was a tie game. He tried to go for the win. He missed it. But check out this buzzer beater. It's tie game, and he hits a three at the buzzer. It was crazy. I never seen this gym go crazy like that. I was like, wow. So I went back to the video. I was like, yo, but did he really get the ball out of his hands, in time? So take a look at this. It's out of his hands. There's 0.1 seconds, so he definitely did. All right, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, Ahead Learning LLC. Check out the website, aheadlearning.net, as well as the Instagram pages at coachjames954, as well as at Ahead Learning Center. And we're enrolling right now for the summer courses, also as well as the 2019-2020 school year. We also have a lot of activities going on. It's all online, aheadlearning.net, or give us a call, 954-532-1974. All right, this is Coach James signing out. Let's go.